Another quick video here showing a Thermobaric RGT-27S2 hand grenade dropping from a drone down inside a vehicle. This time the MT-LBM 6MB Infantry fighting vehicle. While not quite as explosive as previous videos, the vehicle's hatch gets blasted open. While this infantry fighting vehicle is abandoned, the targeting fills a valuable function, as a vehicle could be left for getting damaged, malfunction, running into a ditch or running out of fuel. By taking out each vehicle Ukraine isn't capable to capture, ensures that Russia can't redeploy these at a later stage. Taking out these surely from battle with minimum cost and resources. While all vehicle targeted this way isn't abandoned, the drone dropping the ordnance help clean up the battlefield, reducing vehicles one by one. That's all I had for this video. Please like and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching. Bye.